Nashilu, and I'm a principal at Bondeka Secondary. First of all, I want to appreciate the government for promoting me to chief principal. Secondly, I want to also say I'm very grateful to the candidates of 2025 for giving Bondeka Secondary very good results. The results are as follows. We had 97 candidates, and we had 2 B planes, 15 B minus, 33 C plus, C minus, C plane 35, and C minus 11, and 1 candidate who got a D plus. So the total entry for university we had were 50 students. We are so grateful, and those who are going to TVET colleges are also 68. So we were grateful because that result did not have any wastage, and I want to first of all thank the board members for giving me and the school the best environment to work in to realize these grades. I also want to thank the teachers who worked tirelessly so that we could attain these grades. I cannot forget the parents and the spiritual leader who also assisted us a lot, especially our bishop, who is Mr. Nyanyuki. So, so far, these students, we started the school with very few students, who are 9, and currently the population stands at 405 students. So the grade 10 candidates also reported from 12th. The first week was a bit slow because we realized that most of the parents did not have the necessary items and also the fee to pay. But today, that is today the 19th, a good number has shown up, and we want to thank the CS for extending the period for reporting, because it has enabled most of the students to prepare, and they are streaming in. So far, we were supposed to receive 135 candidates, grade 10 students, and they stand now at half of the number, that is around 70. We hope those parents who still have their children at home, mbareta abana abo egere bache gosoma. Egentonda apili asa baibori keringa to tigo mwana berenka ngatubwati chibesa. Morete toiguane ngakiagwaka na chibesa, ngakiogwaka na chibesa, umwana agendere gosoma nayo ogendere korigi chibesa egere umwana asome. Biamono Nyasaye tigawaseseni.
Ya pili weka kwa Kiswahili.
Ya pili. Ningependa